If you have a generator or other piece of equipment that won't run because it has bad fuel in it and you're not sure what to do, come along with me on my journey of how I brought this neglected generator back to life, not only got it running again, but made it better than new. Stay with us here on the Barefoot Farm channel. Okay, we're starting part 2 of generator Get the Spoogie Fuel Out series. It is really nasty down in that fuel tank. I was ready to pull that fuel tank off and throw it away and try and rig something else up, other people online said to use soap and water in there and then blow it air dry to get the spooge out of the tank. And then I stumbled across this product. So I am in no way affiliated with this product. I don't know if it's going to do any good or not, but it got really high reviews on there. It was 15 bucks and I figured let's give it a try. So that's what we're getting ready to do. All of the old fuel has been removed from this tank. I'm going to put the petcock back onto it. And by the way, the previous owner of this generator did do one thing right. The best practice that I had learned years ago was to take my generator, turn the petcock off and let it run out of fuel at the end of the day. That way no fuel got left in the carburetor bowl to gum up in there. So that's apparently what had happened the last time this generator was used. Petcock was turned off, so the inside of the petcock was clean. Hopefully the inside of the carburetor is clean. I haven't gotten to that part and pulled it out yet, but we're gonna try cleaning this fuel tank with the Starbright fuel cleaner. Apparently it's an enzyme cleaner. We're gonna put the petcock back onto the tank. We're gonna fill it full of clean fuel. We're gonna add some Starbright, StarTron fuel cleaner made by Starbright, which is supposed to be enzyme formula that eats up the spooge. It doesn't say that on here, that's my word, but eats up the spooge, and we'll see how it goes. So put it in there, let it sit a week, and then we'll be back. Instructions say this jug is good for 250 gallons of fuel. The ratio says to add 1 fluid ounce for every 4 gallons of fuel. I think this is about a 5-gallon tank. Also, things that I've read online on the company website said that you can't overdo it with this chemical, and I hope I read that right. So I am going to put a slug of it in here. I don't have a measurer out here to measure out an accurate 1 ounce. So we're just going to put a slug of it in here, and I can't imagine that I can get too much in here the way this tank looks. So that's at least 1 ounce. Let's give it a whirl and we'll check back next week. This is after sitting a week with the Starbright stuff in there. Fuel looks pretty spoogy. Cleaning it all out. Hopefully it broke up all the nastiness in there, and once it gets emptied out, we'll see what happens. Stay with us here on the Barefoot Farm channel to see if getting this treated fuel out of that tank was enough to bring that generator back to life.